A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for flower. G for grass. H for heart. I for iron. J for jar. K for king. L for lamp. M for mouse. N for nose. O for onion. P for pigeon. Q for quill. R for rainbow. S for sun. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for Xmas. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.